Okay, so this week we're going to talk about another topic. We're going to talk about persuasive writing. Have you heard of this before?
Convincing someone.
Yeah, it's convincing someone. That's exactly what this writing is about. It's about convincing somebody of your thoughts and opinions. So it shows an opinion, and you have to get the reader, your objective is to get the reader to think the same way as you do, or kind of convince them that you are right, or like you have a point. Okay? It tends to appeal to emotions a lot. The key thing is persuasive writing tends to appeal to the reader's emotions, feelings, make them feel something. So you can appeal to a person's emotions through personal anecdotes or like personal stories. Like, oh, I remember that day I killed my first boss. It was so much fun. All the hacking and slashing. I was also having fun with all my teammates. Everybody was in coordination. And we finished the boss super fast too. It went splat and boom. Doesn't that make it sound more fun? Okay, then. Okay. So basically it's telling personal stories. Oh, it's making you feel like, oh, this person did it. What about me? Kind of thing. That's emotional kind of. Okay, and then you also have logical ones. For example, oh, they're like usually like facts maybe and evidence. Not maybe, yes, facts and statistics. And sometimes you kind of logic it out. Like, I can't really explain. You know what reason and logic is, right? Please tell me yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So if, for example, if I said cats can fly, is that logical or real? Cats can fly.
No, cats
No.
can't fly.
Yeah, okay. So if you're telling me cats can fly, I don't want to believe you. You need to be reasonable and logical and real. Okay? Moving forward. Okay, so I have an example of an emotional argument and a logical one. Why is this one emotional? Does it feel more emotional when you read it? Compare this one and this one. What do you feel between the two? So the emotional ones contains words that are heavily kind of, you would feel something when you read them. For example, frustrated. You can picture exactly what it means, right? You can feel it. You felt it before. You know what it is, right?
Yeah.
And helplessness. Doesn't that give you like, if it sounds and its meaning is very feely. Okay? Same with uncool. Dismay. These words are very strong with emotion, with feeling. When you say them or you put them in there, they link to that emotion that most people have felt before, because most people feel very similarly emotions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now we're on to logical. Logical uses facts or something that is real to present the argument. For example, uniforms are commonplace to blah 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 many walks of life, such as flight attendants, bus drivers, restaurants, military. Like, you can see and you know that all of these places do have uniforms, right? You would find it in advertising. Obviously, why would you find it in advertising? You got to persuade them to buy an item or like use a service or something. What about speeches? Why would you find persuasive writing in speeches? It's persuading you of the opinion of the speaker. That's what a speech is. Well, you could also have informative ones, which are just telling you. But a lot of speeches do, like, there's different kinds of speeches.